Presiden ke Hspdp ba KP Pangyang ulaong ba Shen ke parti kan Kynduh yo menteri rangba habayade berkarai ban Jingkyrshan Pisa ke district council na ka benta ban siu tulop ye kinong trei jongkini ki council kani kalami na ke Hspdp shisngi hadian ba menteri rangba Khubor konrat kesang ma ulapan bena ba ka sarkar ka kloi ban pensiu tulop ye kinong trei jongki district council na do unai wing mentau snam Jingkyrshan berkilar pathai Khubor Presiden ke Hspdp ulaong ba Shen hi na ka parti kin saya Kynduh yo menteri rangba halor kani ka benta.
In the media report that the government is going to pay the salary of the ADC's employees, but to me and to my party, we are yet to know the detaility of the intention of the government to pay the salary. But we need to meet the Chief Minister first as a party, and we will go and we will try to have a thorough discussion. Because why we do not know the very spirit of the intention of the government. Because as the party, all along we stand strong with the demand to empower the power already vested in the autonomous council as provided in the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. So supporting financial to the ADCs due to their financial crisis, I feel it is the bounty of the government to provide. But at the same time we need to know that while providing fund to the council may not lead to defeat the very vital spirit of the autonomy of the autonomous district council. That is our observation from the Hspdp party. That's why we want to meet. We need to meet the Chief Minister with the party delegation to know thoroughly about this move of the government.